we'll now show you the trajectory of the cyclone Montha that is all set to hit the Andhra coast today in the evening or by late night. So this is how it looks like currently. This is the 6 a.m. data. So this is where the storm, the cyclonic storm has reached. This is the eye of the storm. Now this eye of the storm, when it hits the coast of Andhra Pradesh, which is here you can see it's Vijayawada, and Machilipatnam is somewhere around here, and that is going to be the landfall point. Now this eye of the storm, when it reaches here, that is when the landfall is going to occur. So still 10 to 12 hours are there for the landfall to occur. Now if we look at this storm, that will soon be turning into severe cyclonic storm as it is moving north westwards towards Andhra Pradesh. And if you look at these areas, the pink red areas, now these are the areas where there will be very to heavy rainfall. In fact, the wind speeds could also reach up to 110 km per hour. So 90 to 110 km per hour. These areas, so as it moves towards Andhra Pradesh, the areas which come under the red circle, the pink circle, will be the worst hit. Now, not just Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, Kakinada is going to be the worst hit due to the cyclone, which is between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam, where the landfall is going to occur. But not just Andhra Pradesh. In fact, if you talk about Odisha is also going to face the impact. In fact, even before the cyclone, there are already gusty winds in Odisha. If you talk about Tamil Nadu, which is just below Andhra Pradesh, is also going to be impacted. If you look at here's Chennai, Nellore, Puducherry. These are also going to be impacted due to cyclone Montha. And not just Odisha and Tamil Nadu, which are just adjacent to Andhra Pradesh, but also parts of West Bengal, which is here. They are also going to face impact of this cyclone. And so this is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh is the state that will mainly be hit by cyclone Montha. The cyclone Montha has reached here. It is still approximately 200 to 250 kilometers away from the coast of Andhra Pradesh. Machilipatnam is where it is going to hit, which is somewhere around here. And it is approximately 60 to 70 kilometers away from Vijayawada. As you can see in this map, Vijayawada is here, and 60 to 70 kilometers away towards the coast is Machilipatnam, where this eye of the storm, as you can see in this eye of the storm will reach Machilipatnam, and that is when the landfall will occur, and that landfall is going to occur today in the evening or maybe at night. So that's how this cyclone will be playing out. The wind speed is expected to reach up to 110 km per hour. It has already increased by 18 km per hour in the last 6 hours, and it's constantly increasing. In fact, the evacuation efforts are also underway. The air services and the flight services and train services have also been impacted. We already told you how the train services are impacted, and now 6 flights between Chennai and Visakhapatnam have also been cancelled. And my colleague Apurva is now joining us from Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. That is going to be the worst hit due to this cyclone. Apurva, tell us about the current situation over there.
Well, in fact, as you can see there, the winds and drizzling has already started here in full effect ahead of cyclone Montha. In fact, Andhra Pradesh government has put out specific helpline numbers here in the district of Kakinada. Not only Kakinada, but also the coastal towns right from Konaseema well into Visakhapatnam as well. And we are also getting to learn that this cyclone intensity is only likely to keep increasing towards the evening. That's what we are getting to learn, especially here in Kakinada, where we are at as well. In fact, rains have already started here in this region, and with the rains that have also started, several warnings have also been issued to public to ensure that public safety remains the utmost priority as well. And not only that, public have also been advised to stay indoors and stay safe as well. Beaches in and around Kakinada, Uppada and several other regions here in southern Andhra Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh have been put on hold. No public is allowed into beaches here as well. This ahead of Cyclone Mantha getting its full effect in later from this evening, as we are being told by the IMD department as well. Flights have been diverted from here to Visakhapatnam and several other areas. In fact, from Chennai, 6 flights have been diverted to other areas that were originally estimated to come here to Visakhapatnam. And not only that, trains have also been diverted at the ahead of the effect of Cyclone Mantha. That's what we are also seeing here on ground as well. Several winds that are expected to come lashing here across the state, and especially in Kakinada region where the landfall is likely to be expected. IMD director has also predicted that the landfall is going to be between Machilipatnam and and this specific Kalingapatnam, and this specific area runs through the belt of Konasima, Kakinada and Visakhapatnam as well. And what we are getting to learn is that Vizag, Kakinada is going to be one of the worst affected areas by these winds and torrential rainfall, with speed going up to 90 to 110 kilometers per hour. That's the effect of Cyclone Mantha here in the districts of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh government, in fact, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu has been continuously monitoring the efforts that are being set on ground. Rehabilitation centers have been set up in across 19 districts here in the state, and also people lying in low-lying areas, they have been shifted, evacuated to set rehabilitation centers. Food, water and other basic amenities have been well stocked for the next 3 days ahead of Cyclone Mantha and its effect as well. Helpline numbers have been given out for districts right from Nellore until Srikakulam, which is Kalingapatnam, where Kalingapatnam is the fag end of Cyclone Mantha's effect that will be seen as well. All these districts here, roughly around 19 districts, has been put on alert by the State Department, and officials are on ground asking people, requesting them to stay indoors, stay safe, and more importantly to be not to be under any crowded areas as well, with the Cyclone Mantha likely to gain additional gravity and more importantly additional force over these coming hours as we speak.
Stay with us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates from Kakinada.